Transit Custom won't start. It's coming up with message on the multifunction display saying hill start error, engine malfunction. Put the key in, ignition comes on, you turn it, nothing happens. You get all the ignition lights coming on the dashboard, but it won't crank over. The most probable cause is going to be a bad earth. If you pop the bonnet open, there's the fuse box. Just behind the near side headlight. Open the lid on it, you'll most probably hear the relay buzzing, making a rather peculiar noise. You've then got to remove the headlight, bolt at the top, bolt at the bottom, 2 Torx bolts, whip them out of the way, grab hold of the headlight and it just pulls straight out, dead easy. So to remove the headlight, we've just got 1 bolt on the side, 1 bolt on the top, and then the headlight just pulls and lifts straight out. So move the headlight out of the way. You can unclip it if you feel the need to, but just down behind the headlight there's 3 earth points, 1 on the side on the inner wing, 2 on the bottom, and this is right where all the spray and all the dirt from the wheel sprays up and gets all around there. So these are really prone to corrosion. Most probable one is the one at the bottom on the right hand side. That's going to be your poor connection. So we've got earth point there, 2 earth points at the bottom. So just by removing the headlight reveals the earth points at the bottom. It looks like the one on the right hand side is, you can hear as we turn that, it alters the tone of the relay at the top. Crack it off, clean it up, spray it with a bit of lube, put it back down again, problem sorted. Put it all back together, start the car, happy days. If that's helped you out in any way, been of any use to you, please drop me a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.